Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a room tour of the Rio Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is the standard king bedroom in the Empanada Tower, up on the 18th floor. And when you first walk into the room, you have a king bed, nice sitting sofa, coffee table, nice plush sitting chair, and a table for two with a light and a telephone. Beside the bed, you got two nice nightstands. You got an ottoman and your king size bed. Nice big mirror on the wall. And you also have an armoire, which has a flat screen TV inside. Decent size. And another thing that's rare is you have a mini fridge, which is not fully stocked, so you can stock it to your convenience with anything that you would like. Now we'll go into the bathroom area. And you got some nice drawers, single sink, ice bucket, and a nice big mirror. And you also have a coat rack to hang up your coat, and a closet. Now we'll continue into the bathroom. And in the bathroom you also got another sink, nice big mirror on the wall, and a shower tub combination. Now we'll continue back out here and we'll check out the view from the 18th floor. And one nice thing about this room is it's a corner room on the 18th floor, which actually has wraparound windows that you can see the strip. There's the other tower of the Rio Hotel. And here's the strip view. Over there's Caesars, Harrah's, the Wheel, and Bellagio off there in the corner. We'll go over here to the other side. And on the other side you can see the Wyndham Timeshare, Trump Tower off there in the distance, the Wynn, the Encore, the Palazzo, the Mirage, and again Caesars and the Wheel. Well, this is going to complete the room tour of the Rio Hotel and Casino, standard king room up on the 18th floor. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.